Hey YouTube, Santa Frank here. Today going to be opening up a second Star Wars Battle Plans hobby box. This one you get 2 hits per box, and 1 hit is guaranteed to be an auto, which I never am that excited about products that guarantee an auto, just because the autos get really watered down, especially in Star Wars, where like it's really tough to get a really nice auto. But our first box, the second hit, was actually not like a relic card or something like, I mean, not like a medallion or patch type card. It was actually a relic card, so it should be giving away that spoiler. But so at least the 2 hits were both pretty cool. Okay, here's what the packs look like. This will probably be the last one of these I open. This product had the unfortunate distinction of being the follow-up to Topps Chrome Galaxy, which was amazing. So, go from a set with amazing base cards to a set that has kind of like, okay base cards. But, so it's kind of a, it really came out at a bad time whenever such an awesome product as Chrome Galaxy came out. I think Droid Army invades the planet. There's a satellite dish. There's Han Solo. I do like the foil cards. Almec subdued by Bo-Katan. Got Obi-Wan and Qui-Gon versus Darth Maul. There's Luke, Lando, Darth Vader. I think you have a shot at some pretty cool like triple autos and stuff, but those are going to be super tough to hit. There's Han and Leia. Got Rey, Dooku foil. There's a Rey card. That's nice. Ahsoka versus Darth Maul. Got Anakin. More Anakin. Packs are tough to open though for a Topps product. Bo-Katan. There's a Anakin and Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan versus Darth Maul. A foil with the Millennium Falcon there. Starkiller base. X-Wings. Tow cables. And Rebel Strike Team. I think the foil, if you try to make a foil set, probably wouldn't be too super tough to make. I think there's only 100 cards in the set. There's Chewie, Darth Maul, Bo-Katan. A lot of Bo-Katan cards I'm noticing. Blue Obi-Wan, Mace Windu versus Palpatine, Gungans, more Bo-Katan, X-Wings. Darth Vader, more Vader, Cassian, X-Wings, that's a foil, Chewie insert, Resistance engages with fighters, Jyn and Cassian, Wookiees. That pack opened easy. Rebel Marines, Yoda, Ahsoka, blue Han Solo and the team sneak onto the base, the Death Star Super Laser, Battle Droids, and Jedi, Amidala, and this is a CGI Leia from Rogue One. Viceroy Gunray, Yoda, Finn. There's a blue Imperial Navy, Count Dooku, Padme, Dooku, and Luke and Han. There's a Palpatine, Obi-Wan versus Darth Maul, Gunray. There's a foil Palpatine and Grievous. There's General Hux, Tow Cables, Rebel Strike Team, and Padme. Imperial Navy, Grand Moff Tarkin, Dodonna, Yoda, saying goodbye to the Wookiees, Darth Vader, Luke, Akbar, and Han. Tarful and Chewbacca helping Yoda. Assault vehicles. There's Ahsoka. Tow Cables with the Empire Strikes Back foil card there. Aurra Sing, Bo-Katan, Anakin, and R2. Anakin about to execute Dooku. Dooku Anakin, Gungans, Yoda Dooku. A lot of Count Dooku cards in this too. Luke and Han foil. That's pretty cool. Darth Vader versus Obi-Wan. Rogue Squadron. There's Han. Han walking on the this weird bridge here that has no guardrails or anything. Very dangerous. Yoda, Han Solo. Oh, we have our auto. We'll save our auto. There's a foil there. Droid swarming the starfighters. Krennic, Dooku, Han, and Luke, So it looks like that auto is a blue, so it should be numbered. Imperial Navy, Grand Moff Tarkin, Dodonna, secret weapon is revealed. I can't remember that character's name. One of the Geonosian dudes. Poggle the Lesser. That's it. Luke versus Vader, Akbar, Han, and Yoda saying goodbye to the Wookiees. A tender moment in Revenge of the Sith. Dooku Anakin, Gungans, Yoda Dooku, Blue Palpatine, Jyn Erso, CGI Leia, Rogue Squadron, and Snowtroopers. I hope we get a sketch. If we're only going to get a couple boxes of this stuff, it'd be cool to at least get a sketch card from this stuff. Republic, Descending on Mandalore. I don't think I've seen that card. Wookiees Defend the City. AT-ACTs. There's a Snoke foil. Rey versus Kylo. Han Solo on the Dangerous Bridge. Snoke and Darth Maul. That was a toughie to open, so maybe there's a big hit in here. Republic. There is a thick card though. So we didn't get a sketch, I'm guessing. Wookiees defending the city. Luke using a hoist cable, so we'll save that one. Luke Skywalker and Snoke. So there shouldn't be any more hits in these packs. I don't think we've got any like base numbered cards this time. I think we got like 3 last time. So they're probably in these last few packs. Jedi Surge into the Hangar. Geonosis. Darth Maul versus Qui-Gon. Blue Clone Troopers turning on Yoda. The Force. Gungans. Starfighter pilots. And Darth Vader from Rogue One. Yoda. Darth Maul. Rebel Strike Team foil. Obi-Wan versus Grievous. Luke and Wedge. Rebels. AT-ST. K2SO. Wicket. Finn versus Kylo. There's the Gungans. I think I got this one in my... Unfortunately, a duplicate foil card. The Jetpack, TIE Fighters, Jango Fett, Queen Amidala. AT-ACTs, AT Walkers, Ewoks. There's a purple. Padme. So this might be out of 25. Yeah, 19 out of 25 on that. Man, that edge order is just chewed up. Bad tops. Bad tops. Carbine Rifle. Darth Maul. Grievous. And Droid Swarm, the Starfighters. Buzz Droids. You don't want Buzz Droids. Definitely don't want Buzz Droids. Anakin, Boba Fett, Grievous, Blue Gunray, there's Yoda, more Yoda, X-Wings, Darth Vader. I'm surprised there's not Mandalorian cards in here. But were there battles in Mandalorian? Or there's the battle of there was some one-on-one battles for sure. Battle on the beach, Krennic, Luke Skywalker blowing up the Death Star. There's a Padme foil. We got the out of 25 and the foil. Stormtrooper, Poe, Starkiller Base, and Princess Leia. That's non-CG Princess Leia in that card. The real deal. Walkers, Ewoks, Rey versus Kylo. There's a Darth Maul talking to the Syndicate leaders. Ion Cannon, Palpatine, Droids, and Poggle the Lesser. What was... Okay, so if that's Poggle the Lesser, where was Poggle the Greater? More Kylo versus Rey. Han and Chewie, Darth Maul, Admiral Akbar, foil, Jabba. That's first Jabba we've seen. Poggle the Lesser, Gungans, and Bo-Katan. Alright, so let's look at our auto first. No, let's look at this thing first. Did we get a relic card? It is. Hey, that's from Solo. That is like a leather jacket relic there. That must be from that jacket. Tobias Beckett. That's pretty cool. The trench coat. That one out of 149. And go ahead and sleeve up this foil card. And we'll see what we got for our auto. Just hope it's not the same one that we got last time. Okay, I don't recognize this. This is some red dude. Oh, it just must be backlit with some red light. And I do not have this auto in my collection. Mark Lewis Jones is Captain Canaday. Not sure what that's from. Out of 149. Maybe it's from Rise of Skywalker. One of those empirical dudes. So that's a new autograph for my collection, and it's numbered. And another foil card. So this box we only got one numbered card, but it was out of 25. This Padme. And there's all our foils. We did get a new auto for the collection out of 149, and a Tobias Beckett. That's a pretty cool relic, that leather jacket piece. Alright, stay tuned for more videos. Later.